guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Janelle. Today I'm showing you guys how to make a super quick and delicious vegan eggnog. Now honestly, I've never been a huge fan of traditional eggnog. Like before I was plant-based, I never loved it, but I have tried out a few of the plant-based versions of eggnog out there on the market, and it's kind of started to grow on me again. So I thought I could probably make this myself. And so that is what we're doing today. It's super easy and uses a lot less ingredients than what you would find in the cartons at your grocery store. So let's just do this. So first up, what we're gonna do is we're going to soak our medjool dates and our raw cashews together in a bowl, and we're gonna soak them in hot water for about 15 minutes. You really only need to do them for that long. If you have a Vitamix, the Vitamix will blend them quite well, so you don't have to worry about there being chunks. Okay, so once your dates and cashews have soaked for about 15 minutes, you're just going to pour out the water, strain them. And from there, you can just plug this right into your blender. It's pretty easy. All you do is literally add the remaining ingredients to your blender and blend. So we're gonna add in our soy milk. This is about 1.5 cups. And we're gonna add 1/4 cup of coconut milk for creaminess. Now, if you don't have canned coconut milk, you could also use canned coconut cream if that's what you happen to have. And then lastly, we're gonna add in our cinnamon and nutmeg. We've got 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg. Now we're just going to blend this on high for about 30 to 60 seconds until the cashews and the dates have been completely blitzed, and this is a smooth and creamy eggnog. I forgot to add one very important thing, which is some vanilla extract. I've got 1/2 teaspoon here. We don't want to forget that because it adds such a lovely sweet flavor. So don't make that same mistake that I just did. Commencing the blending. Now this is some seriously creamy eggnog, you guys. Ooh, and it is steaming. I'm gonna show you how to turn this into an eggnog latte. Okay, I just tasted it and it's not actually hot. I guess it was just kind of, I don't know, looked steamy, but maybe I was wrong. So you can see this is so creamy, it's so good. Now, one thing I will say about this eggnog is that it's not like super noggy, if you will. Like, I've found that traditional eggnog in the past is so strong, it's so rich. And this one is rich, but I find that it's a lot more mellow than traditional eggnog. You still get that delicious sweet vanilla, cinnamon, and nutmeg notes, but it's not like so overpowering. It's kind of subtle. It's great. Subtly sweet. It's nice if you don't like your drinks overly sugary, and this is only sweetened with dates, so you don't have to worry about this being too thickly sweet. It's honestly perfect. Yeah, that is really good. All right, now it's time for our little bonus recipe. I'm gonna show you how to whip up an easy eggnog latte. So all you need to do is pour however much eggnog you are going to drink into a small saucepan and warm it over medium-low heat, whisking it frequently to prevent burning. You're gonna warm it up until it gets nice and steamy. As you can see here, it should take anywhere from 7 to 10 minutes to get it nice and hot. Now, it is pretty fluffy already because of the high protein content from the soy milk that I used, but I am going to fluff it up a little bit more with a milk frother. Again, it's totally optional, but I just love that cloud-like foaminess that it gets once you froth it up. And then we're just going to assemble our latte. So make yourself some espresso if you have an espresso maker. I don't, so I just made a strong brew of coffee in my French press, and I added about 1/2 cup into a mug here. Pour in that hot and fluffed eggnog into your mug, and then you're gonna add a little bit of extra cinnamon on top if you like. You don't have to, but I sure love doing it myself. And that's how you do it, you guys. It's so simple. It's so cozy, perfect for a cold winter's afternoon. And there you go, you guys. You just learned how to make your own vegan eggnog at home in a blender with just a few simple ingredients. Plus, you learned how to turn it into a simple eggnog latte, which is so creamy and delicious. You cannot go wrong with this recipe, you guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe below to Steamy Vegan Kitchen if you aren't already. We post new videos every week and I don't want you to miss out on anything awesome. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye!